to the vlog. So today we are hiking Sulphur Mountain in Banff. This is actually my third time doing it and I've never actually vlogged it, so I'm gonna vlog it for you guys today. It's a very, very popular trail. It's very snowy right now for, you know, the end of October. Yeah, so crampons I feel like are very helpful, but there is people that are doing this in running shoes, so it's kind of up to you whether or not you want to do that or not. There is a gondola too if you want to take that instead of hiking. We'll keep going. This one is about 10k total and I'll see you soon.
You can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you I'd give it one more try. Turn away and wrestle with my doubts. Oh, I leave them all behind, but don't know how. Bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times?
Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses, set me apart.
Hey guys, we made it to the top of Sulphur Mountain. So this hike took us about 2 hours and 45 minutes to get up here, and we made it to where everyone takes the gondola up here. It is super snowy right now. There is like no view today, but we're gonna be heading to the weather station shortly. We're gonna snap a few photos and head over there, so I'll show you guys the top if there's any view.
All I felt was bliss, but you were never there, you were never. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Baby, just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think you'd better run, I swear. I'll follow you no matter where. Cause I don't wanna be, hey, like the one to flee, like the one to leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned to listen?
Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm in a snowstorm. It's crazy out here. It is so cold. It's like blowing snow. Look at that view. I mean, it's just a regular winter storm, I guess. We made it to the top of the weather station at Sulphur Mountain, and as you can tell, there's a snow blizzard happening right now. I don't know what the view looks like. I've actually never been to this part before. I think I always stop down at the gondola and then just call it a day and just look at the view from over there. But this is my first time actually coming to the weather station. It's probably like a 20-minute little walk through some stairs and stuff to get here, but it's good. And yeah, I mean, was it worth it today? Still, I think it's worth it. I think even in the crazy amounts of snow that we're getting right now, it's still worth it. But yeah, like we're about to head back down now, I think. And this is the weather station if you haven't seen it yet. Guys, and welcome to my after hike summary for Sulphur Mountain. So this is the third time that I've actually done Sulphur Mountain. I've never vlogged it because I hiked this the past 2 times back in a time where I wasn't vlogging. I think the first time I hiked this is actually one of my first mountains. I think I hiked it back in 2013 was the first time, and then I hiked it in 2015 and then now. So it's taken me this long to get back to it and film a video. I have a few on my list that I've done that I haven't filmed a hiking vlog for that I need to go back and do. But I finally crossed this one off my list again, but there was no view at the top the day we went. So I feel like I need to do this again in the summer maybe. But this isn't a very difficult hike, to be completely honest with you. The first time I did it, I found it so hard. Like I said, it was one of my first mountains. So back then, for me, it was a really difficult mountain. But for me now, present, it's not that difficult. And it's, you know, I would say more on the easy moderate side for me right now as far as my fitness level, but back then I definitely felt it for a few days after. That being said, I did take the gondola down the first 2 times I did this hike. This one we did the full hike both up and down without the gondola. So this one we clocked in at 12.5K with an elevation gain of 808 meters. So definitely on the moderate-ish side as far as elevation gain, even toward the hard range of elevation gains. But this is an amazing hike. It's located in the town of Banff. So this is located near the hot springs, the Banff hot springs, as well as the Banff gondola. So if you are familiar with that area, then this is definitely a very, very popular hike, and you've probably heard of it at some point. The hot springs as well as the gondola to go up Sulphur Mountain are located at the base of Sulphur, and you can relax at the hot springs when you come down from this hike, which is awesome. We didn't do that day because it had just started snowing. It was one of the first snowfalls. We've gotten dumps and dumps of snow. I feel like it held off for a good part till the end of October, which it usually doesn't hold up till then. It usually snows sometime in September, but we didn't get a whole lot of snow until near the end of October, and I think this was around like the second dump of snow. So we were hoping for a good day in the mountains. We started off in the sun, like it was a nice sunny day, and by the time we got midway up, the clouds started rolling in and it looked like there was going to be a snowstorm, in which it was definitely a snowstorm. It was definitely full winter conditions by the time we got to the top of Sulphur Mountain, and you know, the views were literally non-existent. They were definitely very snowy. So Sulphur Mountain is a really great winter hike option if you are looking for something, you know, you're looking for like a mountain to hike during the winter, if that makes sense, because a lot of winter hikes are, you know, canyon hikes and stuff with minimal elevation. But if you are looking for something that is going to give you a little bit of a workout, I highly recommend Sulphur Mountain. And this one has a lot of switchbacks, so it's not steep all the way up, it's just a slight elevation gain the whole way, basically up until you get to the catwalk, and then from the catwalk you just take stairs until you get to the weather station, if that's how far you want to go. If you want to go just to the restaurant up there, oh yeah, there is a restaurant up there, by the way. I highly recommend their coffee. Their coffee is bomb. I got their honey latte and I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was awesome. So this is a great hike for the winter for that reason. You can get to the top and then you can get a warm cup of coffee or a hot chocolate or something like that, and it's like a win-win. You get the workout, you get the views, and you get the warm drink at the top. So this is a really great one. Micro spikes are recommended for sure, because although this isn't a super steep mountain, there is switchbacks that can get slightly steep, and then that part can get slippery. So I definitely recommend this on a winter day that is not snowing or there's no snowstorm in the forecast. Although the day we did go, we did check the weather and it was supposed to be sunny all day. But you never know with mountain weather, of course. It's like ever-changing conditions. So I highly recommend this on a sunny day. But other than that, this is a great workout. I think that most people would enjoy this mountain. That is pretty much it for this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I'm actually uploading every single day of December for Vlogmas this year. So if you guys are inclined to support the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Bye!